Krishak's 5th period class, and you're watching
Rider News!
Hello Rough Riders, we thank Mr. Krishak's 5th period class for starting Rider News. This week, we've got segments on our Garden Club, the Veterans Day Assembly, and a Rider News special, the Spicy Chip Challenge. I'm Lucy and let's get started. Coming up first for this episode of Rider News, we have Hadley and Kaden interviewing Mr. Logan and Jane about our Garden Club. Let's see what they have going.
Hi, I'm Hadley, and today I'm here with
Mr. Logan.
Mr. Logan. What's your favorite part about Garden Club?
My favorite part about Garden Club is just being outside after spending all day inside in the classroom. I just absolutely love coming outside and just working in the garden, getting my hands dirty. That's my favorite part.
That's pretty cool. How'd you get into Garden Club?
Well, I started Garden Club during the COVID years, and I'm a big gardener. I have a garden in my house, and I really wanted to get kids into gardening and get kids outside and get kids' hands dirty. So during the COVID years, we built this garden here and then started a club.
What does Garden Club entail?
So Garden Club's different from other clubs at the high school. We meet after school on Wednesdays. You can come any Wednesday you want. If you just want to show up once a month, if you want to show up every week, that's up to you. So Garden Club is just coming to the garden and learning how to plant, learning how to spread dirt and mulch, just learning different gardening skills. We usually eat food at Garden Club. We usually pull some weeds and just do a different gardening activity. So you're learning, you're feasting, you're spending time outside in the elements.
What's your least favorite or favorite thing about Garden Club?
We'll start with least favorite. It's the grass and the weeds. They just take over. There's grass everywhere, the yarrows everywhere, the weeds are everywhere. So that's my least favorite, is managing those. But my favorite is just having kids outside. It's just seeing kids outside in the garden, hands dirty, planting stuff. That's what makes me so happy.
That's really cool. Thank you.
My name is Jane Butchart, and I'm in Garden Club.
What's your favorite thing about Garden Club?
Probably like planting and cooking, because we've been doing a lot of cooking the past few weeks.
What's your least favorite?
Come here right after school because nobody else shows up, because I have to go from the health building to here, which is pretty close. Yeah.
That's pretty cool. How'd you get into Garden Club?
My friends, they wanted me to join a club, and since we have a garden at my house, I wanted to get into gardening again, and so I joined.
That's pretty cool. Thank you.
Thank you to our Garden Club for planting those creative seeds for our Rough Rider future. Up next, let's thank our veterans with a review of last week's assembly in the auditorium.
Interview with
Mr. Krishak.
how many years have you been in the Navy?
I joined in 1994 to 1998, and then ever since then I've been in the reserves, so about 30 years.
Today, Port Angeles High School pays tribute to you and thanks you for all that you have done to ensure that we can do what we do. Again, to our honored guests, our veterans, thank you for being here, and most importantly, thank you for your service.
Favorite place you visited on Navy business?
I'd say the greatest place I've ever been to was Iwakuni, Japan. That was a great place to go to.
Did you go there last year?
It was a couple years ago.
Why did you join the Navy?
I joined the Navy because I wanted to get it out of small town Reno, Nevada, and I wanted to see the world, and I wanted to get money for college.
Was it nice in Nevada?
No, you should not live in Nevada. It's a terrible place.
Thank you to Mr. Krishak for speaking for our veterans and their experience in defending our freedoms. Up next, here's the Spicy Chip Challenge. Thanks to Lexi, Maya, and Chloe for taking time to taste the fire.
In a world where spicy chips are spicy.
Okay, our 3 categories are crunch, visual, and spice level.
Can they face the spice?
Oh wait, it's getting weird.
I'm Lexi.
I'm Chloe Underwear.
I'm Maya.
And we're doing spicy chips.
Chickaroonies? No, I don't want that name. Okay.
No. Ew, put it back in your bag.
But crunch is like 8.
Crunch 0.
No, the crunch is, it's so crunchy. Did you not hear that? I would not recommend. Next we have Doritos Mamas. Doritos. Flame. Yum! These are good. 10.
10 is pretty good crunch.
No.
Maybe
No,
5.
it's like a 4. Next, Flaming Hot Cheetos. No, give me extra.
There you go.
Ten.
10. All 10.
No, the crunch is like a 6.
10.
It depends on the chip.
It's, yeah, what?
On a chip.
We got a 6.
I got 4.
Last chip.
Pringles hot ones. No, I actually don't want to do this one. They smell good.
Ew! Why are they
green?
Oh, they look like avocado.
3, 2, 1. What is it? Boy, that ain't even hot.
What was the hype? What was the hype?
Oh wait, it's getting weird.
What was the hype? What was the hype? What was the hype? That thing sucked. Cut that out. 0.
0. It looks like moldy.
It looks mold.
A 2 or a 1. Next is Doritos Flaming Hot. Ew.
Ew, yeah, this is disgusting.
They're kind of good. No, I don't want any more. Spice is like 2 out of 10. Spice is 0 out of 10.
0 out of 10 spice level, by the way.
Yeah. Like
Red.
0. It looks bad. It looks red.
They're 5. It's like not very good. I mean the visual.
Oh, blue Takis.
gonna rate it a 4 out of 10.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do too. 4. It's just flavor and not spice.
Well, that's a wrap from News Desk. Thank you to everyone who participated in this week's episode. Until next time, be well, be kind, study hard, and ride on, Rough Riders.